Aspirin Small Vacuum Cleaner. This is a stick style vacuum that is small but has a very powerful suction to it. So it's a handheld, lightweight, bagless vacuum style that's great for both floors, carpets, stairs, and really great if you have pet hair you need to clean up. It is super powerful picking up the pet hair. So power button just on the edge here. It's got a super long cord on it, 32 feet power cord. So great if you are moving around the whole house. You're not going to have to unplug it and replug it in constantly. I personally absolutely love that, and there is hooks to hold those cords in place. It gives you a deep, powerful clean, runs very quietly, really good too for doing corners or angles because it does have that swivel head on the base of it, but lightweight enough too if you're needing to carry it around as you're cleaning. So here's a look at it on my stairs. Super powerful design on it. Definitely check it out.